knowing that it's a school activity, being able to relax and go enjoy myself with other school classmates, it's really fun.
It's nothing but cheering when somebody throws the ball down or they get a strike, the whole team jumps up for joy. Spares, same thing. It's a good feeling to have once you know that your team has your back. Really the hard part was just getting into the group, but after that it's easy. It was easy to get everything all situated.
When we were bowling, the parents and all the other students from Malo came and they supported all the bowlers, and I really enjoyed listening to them cheer people on. And I really enjoyed being able to have that bond. It's a lot of fun, a lot of fun.
It also shows that we can bowl as a team as well, bowl for our school pride.